Hello and welcome back. So today we're going to be looking at the Triumph Spitfire because unfortunately it has developed a bit of a knock on the rear end. Now I noticed last year when I finished using it that there was sort of an odd occasional knock. Now it's knocking all the time and it's quite loud and it's really bad. So what I've done is I've jacked the car up and I'll show you what it sounds like, yeah? And then we're going to take it for a drive and I'm going to try and record the sound, what it sounds like when you driving it on the road. So I looked under here 3 weeks ago and I thought I'd change the differential oil because it's probably old. So I took the old oil out. It was clean. There was no metallic in it, nothing at all. It was really clean. But I changed it anyway. Then I sort of had a look at the shafts, the drive shafts off each side. So I checked the universal joints, re-greased them and everything, which I've already done before anyway. There's no play at all that I can feel in any of the joints. There's no movement at all. But then I noticed there was a little bit of movement in the prop shaft universal joint. So I changed the universal joint. There was a video for that originally, but unfortunately I accidentally got a bit carried away and forgot to record half of it, and it was binned. Yeah, literally. Anyway, so I changed the prop shaft universal joint and it's made no difference at all. Now, I'm suspecting that in your differential, where the shafts go in, there's a little bearing on each side, and I think one of those has gone spectacularly, yeah? And is grumbling, and that's what that knocking noise is, all right? Or the back axle has decided to die off, literally, yeah? So I'm not entirely sure. Because there's no play in anything, I'm finding it very difficult to sort of say what this is. So like I say, I'm going to show you what it sounds like. My brother-in-law's here, so he's going to spin the wheel while I lay underneath it. And we're going to drive it down the road and see if we can record it. I don't know how well this is going to happen, but hopefully you're going to hear it, yeah? I'm going to put the phone sort of on the floor, so hopefully you can hear it through the sound of the bottom of the car or whatever. So let's go and have a look. So we've got the car jacked up. And what we're going to do now is my brother-in-law is going to spin the wheels while I lay under it, and we'll see if we can hear where the noise is coming from.
It's loud, isn't it?
So what is that noise? I'm wondering if it's one of these bearings. So she's a gorgeous car, look at her. Yeah. So, what we're going to do now, I'm going to try and record the sound from inside the car. Not quite sure how this is going to go. I'm just going to have to put the phone on the seat, I think, and hope for the best. Yeah? So, it's a beautiful day, look at it, yeah? But this car is making that terrible rear end noise. Now, I still think it is the bearing that goes into the diff, but we'll see. And I like your opinion on it too. Let's see if we can hear the noise. noise actually came out really well on the camera, so I'm glad actually it did. So now you can all have a listen to what it sounds like. But yeah, no idea really at the moment. So, what do we think it is? Now, I'll be honest, I have no idea. I've changed the prop shaft universal joint. I've already changed that. I've changed the differential oil, and it was clean what I took out. So there was no metallic in the oil or nothing. So I would have thought if it was the back axle gone, there'd be metallic in it. Now, I might be wrong, I don't know, but that's what I'd have thought. It's either the shafts that go in the side, it's either the universal joint on, I think, this one, but there's no play in the joint at all. There's absolutely no play at all in any of the universal joints on each side. There's no play in the shaft at all. So all I'm suspecting is it's the bearing as the shaft goes into the differential. There's a bearing, and I'm guessing it's one of them that's gone. Yeah, that's what my suspicion is. So if you've had this problem, or you think you know what the problem is, let me know. But at the moment, the only way I'm going to fix this is either bump into somebody else who's had the exact same noise and problem, or I'm going to have to strip the rear end of the car off piece by piece and have a look. Now, my first suspicion will be the differential, so that'll be the first thing I'll be taking off. Now, it is making a noise, right? But I mean, I am still using it a little bit. I'm not going far in it, but I have still just nipped around the village and stuff in it, yeah? The noise is just awful, so we are going to have to do it very soon. So I'm thinking it's now, it's sort of like 3/4 of the way through July. So I'm thinking maybe start on it end of August, September, maybe even October. Unless it falls apart before then we'll have to do it, yeah? Yeah. Or if I get a weekend where I'm not doing anything, we might start on it, yeah? But it's a bit annoying, really. It's rained continuously recently. This started up about the end of last year, but it wasn't very loud. It was quiet, and I thought maybe it was just, a bit of wear and tear. It's an old car, isn't it? But it's got worse quite bad in the last 2 months. It's got really bad now, so it's got to be done. So anyway, thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Like I say, if you think you know what it is, drop me a comment, and I'll see you all very soon in the next video.